we're out here on Send It Sunday. We are getting to the spot. Today's gonna have some bush plane chase action. We might do some chase freestyle. Talk you guys through communicating when you're doing plane chasing or any kind of aerial chasing for that matter. Because
communication is key.
It is. When you're formation flying, it's important to be aware of each other's flight paths, the routes you're taking, and you want to avoid mid-air collisions at all costs. All right, everybody. So welcome to today's episode of Wholesome Fpv, and we're out here at the spot. We're all settled in and ready for a day of flying. On the agenda for today is some chase footage. We're going to be chasing the timber over here.
Oh yeah.
We're going to get up and close and try some chase freestyle stuff and see what turns out. So we're going to set up like a loop. We might set up a route that we do around our spot here, and we'd be talking the whole time. And we'll take you guys on that journey with us.
Yeah, we'll be calling out like churns, maybe 3 seconds before we do them. Throttle changes, altitude changes, changes to the route.
Right.
And we got a GoPro with a custom electrical tape mount because it just seems to be super simple and easy to do every time.
So we got a rearward facing, so you'll be able to see the quad.
But other than that, this is just a bone stock timber. It's a stole plane, so it's a really short runway, really short takeoff. With the flaps down, it'll pretty much take off straight up.
Thing looks so good going through the air.
Yeah, it's a really great plane for like small runway areas or like real tight bushy places.
Awesome. So here's the chase vehicle. So this is a Marmotte. It's got 5.5-inch props right now, and they're 3.5 pitch, so they're pretty mild. This is to give me long flight time while I'm chasing, because those things are way more efficient than these quads. So they'll outfly one of these things any day of the week.
Oh yeah.
We got a GoPro on the front. We have our little ND filter situation going on, and I'm actually flying on 3S right now, and that's because I want to keep things a little bit more tame and under control.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get to it.
Sweet. See you in there.
Alrighty, I'm ready when you are.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so what kind of course are we doing here?
So we're gonna go down the dirt road, fairly high, and then we'll turn around, banking left now, and come down the ridge. Coming down the dirt road right at the circle. I'm gonna drop down altitude a little bit.
Alright, I got you in my sights. Oh yeah. Your shadow looks so great right
Turning
now.
left. Coming back down the ridge.
I'm going to try and line up a flip. I'm a little too close for that.
Okay, banking left. I'm gonna drop in real low and come down the dirt.
Nice. Yeah, let's do a nice low pass here.
I'll be nice and low and slow. I'm going into the wind, so.
You go a little bit faster here. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna come do a nice low pass right in front of us.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming over the dirt circle and then drop down low. the dark forest.
Oh.
I'm crabbing. It's pretty windy.
Yeah, it is. Gonna bank left here?
Yeah, I'm gonna come kind of for the tree gap.
Oh, you're gonna go for the tree gap?
I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go over it, but...
Okay. Nice.
I'm gonna bank left at the pole. And come down the ridge.
Beautiful. Very nice low pass there. Alright. You wanna try?
Come around in front of us again.
Okay.
Turn around the bush. Coming down the tree gap.
We're trying to get a nice top-down shot if you're hitting the tree gap. Beautiful.
Turning left at the first pole. And coming down the ridge. Real low.
Real low, okay. Awesome.
I'm gonna hit this little dirt gap nice and low.
It's gonna be my last pass. I'm pretty low on battery.
Okay.
That was close. It was real close.
It'll come around in front of us.
I'm gonna have to bring it in for
Okay.
landing. Beautiful.
I saw you. Up to my left.
That last freestyle flight did not go as planned. Cut to crash footage in 3, 2, 1. I don't know what happened, but something's wrong with this motor. It isn't locked up, but when I try to start it, it makes this weird whining noise.
It jitters back and forth.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try and figure out what's wrong with that. We wanted to get you another chase footage run, but we're not gonna be able to do that today. That's okay. We're
That's
gonna show
how the
you.
hobby goes.
That's what it is. That's what it is. Sometimes it's glorious, and
Yeah.
sometimes you crash and something's wrong, and it's a part of it. You know, you gotta just keep going. Maybe have a backup. Fly the 3-inch around a little bit.
Oh yeah.
But we'll show you some footage from yesterday's chasing. We had some sunset time chases, and so we're gonna show you some of that.
This hobby really is kind of a lifestyle because it does consume a lot of your time if you want to do it all the time. There's a lot of maintenance.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But it's very, very rewarding.
Totally.
Yeah.
And we hope that you're gonna stick with it and stick on through the crashing and the breaking of parts and all of that.
If you're not crashing, you're not learning.
That's right. You have to fly at the limit.
Oh yeah.
You gotta fly at the limit
It's the only
always.
way to get better.
Right. Oh yeah. Well, all right. Thanks for joining us on Wholesome Fpv this fine Send It Sunday. We've sent it. We're feeling good. We're gonna head back and edit some videos up for you guys, Be sure to comment and like and subscribe. Thanks. Take care.